freak if she was here.
Yeah, she would freak. No blast off. People already standing. They're starting down that way. Boat's getting ready. Starting!
The flames right there, Mark. They're coming at us.
Holy shit, I got it right now. Everybody needs to move their faces. Oh. Oh my gracious.
It's like I'm scared.
Oh. Kids are crying.
That's only a minute in.
That hit me.
Like that.
That hit you?
That hit
What?
me. It hit me.
What is it?
Okay.
What is it?
He's from the fire.
Watch my crystal.
Holy shit. Mom, look, that hit you. Holy That's like so scary, them right under you. You hit that car or something.
I heard it.
One hit Dad's head.
I know I hit Dad's head. You gotta be careful though. I hear them and I feel them.
You can hear them hitting the car.
Just make sure it doesn't go out.
My teeth so bad. I'm scared. My ears hurt.
Oh, I see shit flying down.
Oh
my god! That was nice.
Ow. Ah.
Okay, Daddy.
I got hit with something on my head. God, I could feel it.
Get off my tip.
I could see it. Ow. Ew.
Take my drink.
I see something. That's state. Ow. Oh no. Whoa! That was awesome!
Dad, I got hit in the eye with
Whoa.
one thing.
Something hit my eye, a little pebble when it's stuck in there at the bottom. Wow. Oh shit. You can hear it rumble all the way down. Holy God, look at the car. You can hear all of this stuff flying. Yes, I hit it on accident.
No.